Hey everyone, this wallet guide is gonna help you run a CKB mainnet node on macOS. So first thing we're gonna want to do is go to the docs page on the description and click the GitHub link. The most up-to-date version is version 25.2. So go ahead and make sure you're downloading the right one. So go ahead and download the macOS zip file and open up your terminal, and you can do that using the command space and entering command, or I mean terminal. So this step is actually not necessary anymore from version 25.2. This was just to install some of the prerequisites for the CKB node. It was installing a set of OpenSSL libraries, but with version 25.2, this is no longer a necessary step. So we go ahead and change directory by entering CD and dragging our folder onto the terminal and pressing enter. So once we do that, it'll take us into the relevant directory, and we can go ahead and follow the tutorial from there. So now we'll want to check our CKB version. We see that the version is correct, so we can move on to the next step. Check our CLI version. Again, we see that we have the correct version, and we can move on. Let's go ahead and do init -- chain mainnet to create our TOML files. I've already created them, so I have to enter the force command to overwrite, and we see that they've in fact been created. We have ckb.toml and a ckb-miner.toml, and we can just do ckb run to start the node. So the node is running in the background, and we can go ahead and install Neuron Wallet. So you click the link and it will take you to the GitHub, and make sure you download the relevant zip for macOS. Go ahead and save it and install. So we see that it's just finishing here, and we just drag to our application. I already had it installed, so I'm going to click replace. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new wallet just to show you how to import from keystore. Make sure you save your wallet seed somewhere safe. Paste the wallet seed back in and create a password for your wallet. Make sure you save this as well, because it'll be required that you enter the same password when you're trying to import from keystore. So make sure that's in a safe place as well. And you see you have your wallet up. You have the send and receive option, history, and verbal style. See that your wallet is synced. So I'm just creating a place where I can save my keystore file, and I'm gonna back it up. So I click on backup current wallet, enter your wallet password, confirm, and save to your folder. I'm gonna save it to the wallet folder that I created. Okay, and I'm gonna delete the current wallet just to show you how to import from keystore. Go ahead and delete it now, and click, and it should see the file right there, wallet JSON file. Enter your password to verify keystore, submit, and now you have access to your wallet. You can send, receive, view history, verbal style, list of addresses, receiving addresses, and that's all. Thank you for watching.